I am now at Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 1. Going to be staying here for a couple hours before the next flight. My flight is going to be around 12 a.m. around midnight, so now it's currently around 5 p.m. so let's see what can we do here. One of my biggest concern is going to be charging my phones. It's always good to come here early, 3 hours ahead of time before the flight. This airport is quite big, so you need a lot of time to deal with the check-in luggage and maybe boarding.
Okay, that's what you take. Okay. Ah.
装水的。
对对对。
That is Chef One's restaurant. He's one of the most famous chefs in Malaysia.
他什么？哦，在这边 order。哇。
One of the things that you do not need to worry here is that there are a lot of places that where you can eat.
我这边可以看到飞机啊，后面。啊？那边好像是之前有一个 McDonald 哦，没有了好像。啊？好多店在那边，我 Jamie Oliver 在那边呢。
我没有来过吗？
久，很久很久了。
哦，原来他其实旁边是KFC。 很多吧。哦，现在 moving area view 什么嘞？
不懂，我看一下。
Wow, that is a McDonald's delivery robot.
哇，这 robot 是做什么的？
It's a kitchen somewhere
Cleaning,
around
eh?
here, and they
No,
make the food
cleaning,
and
eh?
send it to this other area here. There is also Taco Bell here. Are you a fan of Taco Bell? And then there's Jamie Oliver.
里面是这是真的吧？
真的哎。
三生故事。
Everyone here is busy checking in their luggage, so do come here early. Hello, fish. There is another McDonald's. If you walk along this pathway, this is the other McDonald's hidden somewhere inside. I will be spending a couple of hours here waiting for the next flight. There is your friendly arrow telling you where the place is. If you walk along this pathway to the end, there's a viewing area where you can look at planes fly and land. Some of the passengers are sleeping down there. This airport is quite big, so it's great to come here early. And now this is the friendly robot that passed by. It has sensors to make sure that it does not bang into anyone. And this is where the main kitchen of McDonald's is. Finally we have reached McDonald's. This is where I'm going to spend a couple of hours here and charge my devices. If you walk to the end of the McDonald's, there's a viewing area. This is the viewing area where you can look at planes land and fly. This video will end here. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.
Bye.